Alright, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening to whatever time you are watching this video. Welcome to the online classes teacher. Today we'll be delving into the Dawn series mathematics, which is the recommended textbooks for JHS 1, JHS 2, and JHS 3, or as the kids say now, basic 7, 8, and 9. But we are going to start with basic 7 in this episode. This episode 1, and we are going to be starting with the number and numeration system. Now you are going to ask yourself, why should I learn this? It will never come in exams. That's how we normally think, and it's understandable. This topic in particular gives you basics understanding to certain things. It's through this where when you get into the future, you're going to see graphs and other plottings, and it helps you. You understand? When you see a building, you're like, oh, the building is 1 feet, is 2 feet, is 3 feet. You see, it gives you an idea. It can be applied to real world. So we are going to get into it. We'll see where we can. But in this episode, I'm just going to focus on the basic ones and like explaining what it means. So let's go right into example 1. It says, given that 1 cube is 100 is 100,000, 1 rod is 1 million. Oh, sorry, my mistake. Let me actually introduce you to it. Multi-base blocks are usually represented by 4. These are what we call multi-base blocks, okay? And they are usually represented by 4 shapes, namely the blocks, the flats, the rods, and the cube. Do you get it? So they are representing one block as 100 million units. Do you understand? They're saying one block is 100 million units. This is why I was telling you that graphs and things are important, but really, let's focus on what we actually want you to know for this one. So they said one block, it represents 10 flats. You get it? It represents 10 flats and has a value of 100 million. So the reason why they say it represents 10 flats is, as you can see this shape, if this shape is right now placed to lie down flats, you see right now this shape is this way. Look at how my hand is facing. My hand is facing flats. You understand? That's one flat. And then in the shape that is illustrated with the block, if I arrange these flats, you get it? These flats. So if you are following me, you see that this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So they are saying one block equals 10 flats. Do you get it? So 10 flats. So that's basically it. And then now one flat, as you can see, is represents 10 rods and has a value of 10 million units. Do you understand? 10 million units. Okay? 10 million units. So right now, all these are just basic information. You don't have to chew. It's just to give you an idea on the first episode. So they said one flat has 10 rods. You understand? So when you pick this rod, that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 rods. Do you get it? So we move on. Just to give you a small idea. 1 rod is equal to 10 cubes. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And then 1 cube is just equal to 100 units. You understand? So that's just to give you the idea of everything. Let's move on to examples, because that's what really matters. So given that 1 cube is equal to 100,000 units, 1 rod is equal to 1 million, 1 flat is equal to 10 million, and 1 block is equal to 100 million. Represents the number quantities 2, 3, 4, 8, 0, 0, 0, 0. That's 234,800,000. I hope you know this. So this number is 234,800,000. They said now using a multi-base block. So what they want you to do is break it down so that you'll see how you can do it. So let's go straight online, straight to this, to the book. I hope you can see. So first of all, the question said, given that, let me shift it a bit so that you can also see the question while we solve. It's very essential. Given that 1 cube is equal to, this is just it's like I'm indirectly repeating the question, but I want you to get the idea. Sometimes it's better when you write it. 1 cube is equal to 100,000. 1 rod is equal to 1 million. One flat is equal to 10 million. And then what? One block is equal to 100 million. You get it? Okay. Now they said using a multi-base block. So using a multi-base block, they want you to represent the number 2, 3, 4. Let me shift it. 2, 3, 4, 8, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. That's 234,800,000. That's what it means. So now I just want you to break it down. Yes, I want you to represent it in the multi-blocks. Normally this doesn't come in WASI, and but is good as a foundation level. Since I'm sure you are not focused on WASI right now, you are just focused on understanding it at your level. So we go 2, 3, 4, 800. Sorry. Get it? So now we break it down. How many zeros are here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Get it? So when you write it 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That's the trig length. 1, 2, 3, comma, 1, 2, 3, comma. You understand? Plus, now you pick the 3. How many zeros are behind the 3? Sorry about that. So I think you didn't catch that. So this is the number we are working with. So I did 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 zeros under it so that I can actually remember. Sometimes everyone and the way they learn, some people catch it fast, some people catch it a little bit slow. That's why I'm showing you this method. But if you get it straight away, you can do it. But this method is also there so that you can actually remember. So then you know that we pick the 2, so now we present all the zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. You get it? Now go to the next number 3. So then you pick the zeros following after. So you don't pick the zero, you start from this. So if you take your 3, then go. So now you're on the 3. So then go. How many zeros are behind the 3? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Then go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, comma. 1, 2, 3, comma. Understand? And continue like that. Okay. So let me do the 4 too now. So now the 4. How many zeros are after the 4? We have 1, 2. You don't count the 0 under the 4, the after. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So now I go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, comma. 1, 2, 3, comma. You get it? Let me do the 8 too so you get it. I'll come and do it so I can see it. How many zeros are after the 8? We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 zeros after the 8. So now you go plus 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 1, 2, 3, comma 1, 2. So you see, so that's it. You can see, as you can see here, the same thing has been represented over here. Do you get it? Yes, that's it. So now what they want you to do is they want to see it in the blocks and then units, like these things that have been said over here. So when I explain further, I'm sure you get it. So right now we move. Now that you have this, how many? Right now that you have this, you come 2 times. Now represent this by 1 because 1. So 2 times 1. How many zeros are following it? The 2 is representing this. And then the 1, 2, 1 is still 2. Do you get it? So 2 times 100. 1. You get it? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Sorry about the noise. This is Ghana, so sometimes you understand. Okay, so in your textbooks you'll be seeing the 2 times the 100 million, and you'll be wondering, where is it from? That's what it means. It's just the 2, 2, 1 to give you 2. You understand? So I just want you to break it down and say that, so 2 times 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 2 times 100 million will give you 2 million. Do you understand? We are in JHS now, so you have to be sharp on these things. You understand? I'm just breaking it down a little so you get it, but it's actually that straightforward. Okay, so 2 times 100 million should give you 2 million. You see, sharp. Then make me proud. So let's go to the next one. So this one, what is it going to be? Let's give just 2 seconds to think about it. So it's going to be what? 3 times what? 10 million. Do you get it? 10 million. Sharp. Make your mind sharp. You know that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 zeros make a million, right? So 10 million. 3 times 10 million will give you what? 30 million. 3, 1, 3. You see, 30 million. You get it? Sharp. You have to be quick at the JHS level now. I'm also here for the slow ones as well, because I get it. I understand. So now we are going to the 4. What would the 4 be? It's going to be 4, right? You pick the 4. So now you get a 4. What? Times what? Good. 4 million. Sorry. You see, so if I said 4 million, I said yes. You see, that was a mistake. I meant 1 million. Sorry. 1 million. So you see, if I said 4 million, you were like, oh yeah, correct. No, pay attention and go. So it's supposed to be 4 times 1 million will give you 4 million. You get it? Now let's do the 800,000. 800,000. Let's see what you guys will see. So don't also forget to add your plus sign. Put all in brackets. 2 times this is representing the 200 million. This representing the 300 million. This is representing this. You understand? So now let's go to the 800,000. What is it going to be? Alright, so if you said it's going to be 8 times 100,000, then clap for yourself, because that's what it's going to be. 8 times 100,000. It means you are catching up. If you are not understanding anything, I'll say send the video back again and then play this for you to learn at your own pace. And sorry about the shake. This for you to learn at your own pace. You understand? So I can become great at maths. Okay, so that's why we have to practice. So if you didn't get this correct, send the video back again and then watch it well and then understand what we are doing. Okay, it's about you. So now let's go to, they want it in cube, in blocks, and flats and all those things. And I wonder, what's in cube and blocks and flats? So now let's draw attention to this. How much did they say 100 million is in blocks? They said 100 million, as you can see over here, 100 million is equal to one block. You understand? So 100 million, can you see it? I just want to emphasize another thing. 100 million is equal to what? One block. 100 million is equal to one block. You get it? So what's here? Two. What? So it is going to what? 2 blocks. You get it? Because you have 100 million. But how many do you have? You have 2. 2 of 100 million. You understand? So 2 blocks. It will give you 2. You have 2 of 100. So you see 2 of 100 million. You see? And they say 100 million is equal to 1 block. By having 2 over here. So 2 times 100 million will give you 2 blocks. You get it? So let's see if you can get the other one. So don't always remember your plus sign. So over here we have 10 million. What is 10 million equal to? So 10 million, as you can see over here, is equal to 1 flat. You get it? 10 million is equal to 1 flat. So you come here. How many? 10 million, but there is 3. So 3, if 10 million is equal to 1 flat, then we have 3 flats over here. Do you understand? So 10 million is equal to 1 flat. Let me write it over here so I get it. And then 100 million is equal to what? 1 block. You understand? So 2 times 1 block is going to give you 2 blocks. 3 times 1 flat is going to give you 3 flats. We have 1 million now. 1 million. What did they say 1 million is equal to? They said 1 million. 1 million is equal to 1 million is equal to 1 rod. You get it? So this 1 million is equal to 1 rod. So who can tell me what we will be having here? Always remember equal to sign. The equal to sign makes it easy. Always easy to navigate, by the way. The equal to sign always makes it easier for you to know which step you are on. Don't forget your equal to sign. So we're here, 1 rod, right? 1 million is equal to 1 rod. So 4 times 1 will be what? 4 rods. You get it? Plus what? Okay, this one. I want you guys to tell me what it is. What is it? We have 100,000. You can pause the video here to write your answer quickly, and then we'll see if you get it. Okay, so I'm going straight ahead, but you can pause the video if you want to try your hand fast and finish before me. Hey, competition, be the competition. You are brave, you can do it. Okay, so let me go and explain now. We have 100,000. We have 100,000 over here. What is 100,000 equal to? They say 100,000 is equal to what? 1 cube. 100,000 is equal to 1 cube. So this 1 cube. So this 1 cube. So 8 times 1 cube will give you 8 cubes. This is the final answer, guys. This is the final answer. So if you are able to get it, clap for yourself and mark it correct over here. And see the online teacher marked this correct for you. Yes. Let's go on to another example. I'm just going to do 2 examples so that you can try your hands on other examples, because I believe they are self-explanatory, and so that you're not also always rely on someone who has solved it for you, but you can also try it. When you are solving, make sure that you do not look at the answer. Do not look at the answer. Okay? When you try it and get it wrong, then you look at the answer. Okay, so let's go to example 2. Now example 2 says, given that 1 cube, can you see? Given that 1 cube is equal to 1 cube is equal to 100,000. Okay, 1 rod is equal to one. Whoa, that's a big number. They're saying one rod is equal to, what number is this? 1 trillion? Is it 1 trillion? No, this 1 billion, sorry. 1 billion. One rod is equal to 1 billion. Wow. The amount of money I want. One flat is equal to 10 what? 10 million. So you can see how they've switched certain things to trick you, but you are smart. You looked at the placement, so you have not been tricked. You've caught them already before they can even trick your mind. One flat is equal to 10 what? 10 million. And then one block is equal to 100 million. So this is just them trying to, you know how they do it. It's like they'll teach you something, and when you go to an exam, they give you a different question trying to trick you. So as you can see, example 2, I have it all written out here nicely so that I can catch on to the tricks. They said 1 cube is equal to 100,000, 1 rod is equal to 1 billion, and then 1 flat is equal to 10 million, 1 block is equal to 100 what? 100 million. You understand? So now what they want from you is they want you to represent the number 310,700. Pardon me, sorry. Let me write it all so that you can see. I'm sorry about that. Very sorry. Very sorry. So they want you to represent the number. I'm sorry about this. So now represent I want you to represent this number, right? 310,700,000. That's what's 310,700,000. 310,700,000. You get it? Good. So let's get straight into it. I hope people will even jump ahead before me grab and start doing it. So 310. So you can pause the video here. Over here, I'm not going to talk much. I'm only going to talk about where there are changes, so that so that you guys can try your hand quickly. This is just something for the trick I taught you guys, so that you'll be aware if you have problem with visualizing the numbers. The 000 that written on top is for you to get it. I hope it works for you. So you go ahead, you pick the first number. Remember, your equal to sign is always important, so you know which stage you are on. So then it starts going. Okay, so now you're going to ask me, what about the 0? This is something I feel like you should know. The 0 over here. Sorry. The 0 over here, we do not represent it in this. Okay. We just go straight to the 7. Just go straight to the 7. Okay. The 0 over here. We can't be writing 0, 0. Do you have any? Do you have 0 million? Alright. You don't have any. Do you have a number like 0 million? No, you don't. So yeah, so that's just it. So you just go straight to the 7. You get it? Go to the 7. That's just something I just wanted to say, and then that will be the end. Don't worry about the brackets, and I was just doing so like you can see it well, and then so you can also see it well. You understand? Yeah. So some of you might notice, you might say, oh, the other one we didn't put bracket there, now this place we are putting brackets over there. Don't worry about it, okay? That's just trivial something. I just want you to see it well. You understand? And then maybe if I get more money or funding, I get a proper camera for you and then teach you everything you need to know. You understand? Yeah. So don't worry about it. It's just for you to see it well. I want you guys to be able to see it well. So I hope you guys are, I hope by now you are here. So the remaining zeros are going to be 100. So the remaining zeros, what do you do with it? You don't do anything about it. Those are not the numbers. Do you have any number like 0 million? You might as well give you 0 million right now. What are you going to use it for? What number is 0 million? You understand? I'm going to give you 7 million. So we are working with the significant numbers. Okay? That's what you have to focus on. So let's continue to the next step. I hope you've reached here by now. We are going. Yes. So you can find always remember your equal to signs, they help you. Okay? They help you know which stage you are on now. Okay? Very, very important. So when I pick your 3, I pick your 100, pick your 100 what? 100 million. Okay? 100. Sorry about that. Pick your 1 times what? 1, 1. So it could be the 1. So times that. Pick your 7, by the way, times what? 1, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. Alright, alright, alright. Now this is the part where I want your attention. Okay, remember we are representing it in blocks, flats, rods, and cubes. So now let's watch it. They said we have what 1 million over here. What's 1 million? 1 million is one. Sorry, I have 100 million. 100 million is equal to what over here? It's equal to 1 block. Okay, so they said 100 million. So now we have 100 million. Sorry about that. We have 100 million being equal to 100 million being equal to 1 block per the question. 100 million. I'm repeating so you guys get it. Sorry, but yeah, 100. Can you hear what I'm saying? I said 100 million is equal to what? 1 block. We have it right here, so it's equal to 1 block. 10 million is equal to what? So now let's come and look. Which one is 10 million? This is 10 million. Good. 10 million is equal to what? 1 flat. So this 10 million is equal to 1 flat. Alright. And then 100,000. 100,000 is equal to what? 1 cube. 100,000 is equal to 1 cube. Understand? So 1 cube. The reason why I said pay attention to this thing is watch something. 1 block is equal to 100 million. But the one rod rather, which is supposed to be lesser, is what is equal to 1 billion. You understand? 100 million, 1 billion. This is more than this. You understand? So in their writing, they are trying to switch the numbers to see if you are paying attention to the question. So pay attention to the question and write what they said, if you can. or if you can leave it on a paper and then follow it accordingly. Okay, that's good. So now you have 3 times 1 plus, you have 3 block. Good. You have 1 times 1, we have 1 plus 1 flat. Then you have what? Plus 7 cube. And this is the final answer. Sorry, cubes. Let's say it was 7 cubes, 1 flat, 3 blocks. Write proper English. I know you're doing math, but write proper English as well. Okay. So that's it. And this is correct. If you pause the video, the question side, and then got it, that is awesome. So example 3 is I'm going to give you an example 3, but that is an assignment till we meet again for another session. I'm going to write it right here. Assignment for you. If you have the textbook, the assignment is just example 3. So maybe that will let you copy. So let me just say, so I solve it right here. Solve it right now, and then send your answer into the comment section. So this is not even assignment. Let's call it classwork. Yes. What is the assignment? You say, oh, you do it and you want. So let's call it classwork. Sorry right now, and let's see if your answer is correct, and then send your answer into the comment section, and I'll come and reply you. So given that, so this is a question. Given that 1 cube is equal to 100,000, 1 rod is equal to 1 million, and then 1 flat is equal to 10 million, and 1 block is equal to 100 million, represents the number quantities using a multi-base block. That's what we've been doing. Some people, this is the multi-base block, but we don't forget or get confused about it. This is what I mean when I say multi-base block. Don't be afraid. Alright, so yes, that's the question. Multi-base block. This is your classwork. Given that 1 cube is equal to 100,000, 100,000. 1 rod is equal to 1 million. 1 flat is equal to 10 million, and 1 block is equal to 100 million. Represent the number quantities using a base block, and the number you are representing is 6. So the number is 600 900 00. So this is the number you are representing. Classwork, do it right now and tell me the answer. Do it right now and tell me the answer in the comment section. So comment the answer, and I will, so comment the answer and I will come and mark it in the comments section. I will also show the answer to this question in the next video. That will be episode 2 at the beginning, so that you answer it, so that you see the answer. And then yeah, that's it for this lesson. See you and have a wonderful day. Don't forget to subscribe. Before you go, don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and let your friends also benefit as well.